So for years now, Samsung's Ultra phones have been absolute monsters for photos. But if you've ever tried recording video at high zoom, you already know the pain. Shaky footage, soft details, and that weird, "why does this look worse than my expectations" moment. Well, according to a brand new leak, Samsung might finally be fixing that exact problem with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. A trusted leaker says Samsung has quietly put serious work into the 5x telephoto camera this time, and the focus isn't photos, it's video. The 5x lens is meant for distant shots, but on older Ultra phones, zoom video just never matched how good the photos were. That's supposedly changing with the S26 Ultra. We're talking smoother zoomed-in footage, noticeably better stabilization, and sharper details even when you're filming something far away. Even better, lens switching during video could finally stop looking jarring, with more consistent colors and exposure when the phone jumps between cameras. At the same time, official-looking renders of the Galaxy S26 Ultra have surfaced, and while it doesn't scream new design, there are some subtle refinements. The overall look is familiar, but the corners are slightly more rounded, making it feel a bit less boxy in the hand. The colors shown so far include cobalt, violet, and black, and yes, they look exactly as premium as you'd expect from Samsung's top-tier phone. The camera layout has also been tweaked. There's now a vertical pill-shaped section housing 3 of the cameras, including the periscope telephoto, while the remaining lenses sit separately on the side. The camera rings themselves look closer to what Samsung used on the latest Fold, which might hint at a more unified design language across their flagship lineup. Physically, the S26 Ultra is also getting slimmer. Despite being slightly taller and wider, it's reportedly just 7.9 millimeters thick, which is a noticeable drop compared to the previous Ultra. Weight has gone down too, shaving off a few grams, and that might not sound like much, but if you've used an Ultra phone daily, you know every gram counts. Leaks don't stop there. Images of Samsung's official cases have also made their way online, showing a bold range of colors and a chunky cutout around the camera island. It's clear Samsung knows that camera bump isn't getting any smaller, so they're leaning into it instead of hiding it. But one of the most interesting leaks has nothing to do with cameras or design. A reported teaser suggests the Galaxy S26 Ultra could debut a new kind of privacy display. Instead of dimming the entire screen like traditional privacy modes, this system can selectively block only a certain parts of the display. That means you could hide sensitive content while keeping the rest of the screen perfectly visible. This feature is said to rely on new display tech working alongside One UI 8.5 and Galaxy AI. And if it works as advertised, it could be genuinely useful in real life, not just a gimmick. So between improved zoom video, a slimmer body, subtle design tweaks, and some wild new display tech, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a much bigger upgrade than it looks at first glance. And if Samsung really has nailed zoom video this time, that alone could be enough to win over a lot of people who've been waiting for Ultra phones to finally feel complete.